Go-go juice.
Yeah, go-go
She
juice.
should.
Oh.
Holy
It doesn't like you.
No kidding.
It literally fires up perfectly every single time for you.
Don't choke it either. I don't need the choke. Oh no, sometimes it's an asshole to me. This one usually is nice. Usually nice. What?
You got some penetrating oil or something?
Yeah, actually.
When we get back, we'll pull that off and spray some oil down in there and then try to straighten that recoil spring up a bit. Try to do it mine.
If it works, that's stupid. Brian, you want me to do that? Hey, let me see. You blow this one up too?
F off.
Uh-oh.
What in the flying f?
Yeah. That's what I'm wondering.
Grab another plug. Try it. Or pull it up to the house.
We're gonna pull it from here? That's gonna be tough.
Oh, not really.
Hey, if you want to ride this back, I'll go on that while he tows it.
You prefer to be on that though?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I actually would. You're not gonna hurt this one.
Oh, is it all down?
Yep, it's all down just like his.
Okay.
Just that one doesn't have brakes.
No worries. I'm used to it.
Okay. Well, this isn't how I planned the day on going, but shit happens. Fell off. Keep going. Oh, it fell off yours now. What? Only right into a tree. So bad. Yeah, no, this is stupid shit to deal with now. Hold on. stopped anyways. This is gonna be a pain in the ass now. Dragging it through the frickin' mud. Fucking tree. Better go. Keep going. Whoa! Back up. Hell. Not my idea of fun. How's that feeling about this going out today? Hang on, it's caught.
Hold on, want to steer it?
No, there's a hang on, there's a stick. I'm just in the
Yep.
There we go. Okay. Hold on. Give her a shove, Mitch.
Got her, bud?
Yep.
Hop on, Mitch!
What?
Hop on!
No, go! F***ing go! What a shit show. Got it! Keep going! Keep going! Oh shit. Oh, I swear if this fires up right now. Oh no, that just happened. The stick came up and caught it. Oh, he's showing me the neutral indicator wires, but those got ripped off when that stick came up.
Yeah.
It's probably all full of mud now.
Bet you it wasn't connected all the way. We're gonna put a new plug in it anyway.
All right, head up to the house. We'll wash this shit off. I don't know, he thinks the wire was pulled halfway off, which is why it wasn't letting it do it, because it's got a safety in it.
At least she's good.
Yeah. We'll head up to the house. I'll wash all this shit off.
All right, buddy.
Guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.